Hello traders, this is Umar with you. Hope you are all doing good. So three people made money today. One is Government of India, Ministry of Finance. Second one is your broker, and third is SEBI. Apart from that, I don't think many people would have made money. In fact, there are people who would have made money. There are many skilled people, smart people who would have made money, right? So I know some traders, big traders who have lost more than 7 to 8 lakhs in one trading session. Of course, they are having a big capital of around 1.5 crores or 2 crores. So losing 5% in one day is really a big deal, right? So we will have to see. Market is showing us some caution now, and we have been telling right from before that. Whenever this 15,900 area is touched, it is getting reversed. This is the seventh time, not one time, two times, three times. Seventh time it is testing this 15,900 area, and whenever it is testing 15,900, market is reversing. Now, all these days we were not getting any support from FIIs, and you know FIIs are very big. They have very big numbers. They have access to funds, and they can take the market wherever we want. Retailers are nothing. This is not US. We are not as advanced as US or South Korea or any other market. We are just in a beginning stage, right? So you have to be cautious now, and in fact there are no global support at all. Dow futures is down. It is, in fact, it is deep in the red by around 400 points. And FTSE European markets are all down. FTSE is down by around 170 or 180 points. So you have to be cautious. India VIX is rising. It has shot. At one stage it was above. It shooted up above to 10%. So we will have to see. And many people think that 15,700 is a big support, right? And we were also telling that. I am also believing that 15,700 was a big support. Now, what Nifty managed to do today is that it was able to close above 15,700. So we will have to see, we will have to wait and see tomorrow what is going to happen. And in fact, in my last video, I was telling that there are people writing 35,500 calls, and market is at 35,700 or 900, right? So I told the wrong information. I told so market is super bullish, so people are writing 35,500. No, that was wrong. That is a bearish sign, and that has happened. That same thing has happened today also. In Bank Nifty alone, people have written more calls in 35,500. And in fact, many people commented that this is a bearish sign. I accept. I was wrong. See, we don't script anything. I just come in front of the camera and I talk. We don't script, or we don't use any teleprompter here. So I just talk. I may be wrong sometime. So what happened on Friday, that when market Bank Nifty was at around 35,900, people were writing 35,500 call. Now they have written 35,500 call aggressively. So it is clear that Bank Nifty is going to go down further. And HDFC Bank alone is a big dragger. It dragged the market like anything. Bank Nifty, in whole Bank Nifty pack, not a single stock was in the green. Every stock was in the red, right? And in Nifty also, majority of the stocks was not performing. Reliance was also flat. So there are many factors to see into. Let's see what happens. Let's see how the market spans out tomorrow. Earlier what happened is, when I was bearish, 1 week back, Bank Nifty shooted up and it took the Nifty above 15,900, right? Now when I was going to turn bullish, market is reversing. I was not bullish. I had neutral position. In fact, today's loss, I made a loss of around 11 or 11.5k, not 11.5k, 9k, around 9k loss. But I am still, I don't have any problems, because I didn't take any position as I took earlier. Like what I did, I had a huge position in Bank Nifty, short position in Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty shooter, right? I didn't do that same mistake here. I was very cautious. I was waiting for the Nifty to cross above 16,000 so that I can go long in the market. I didn't do that mistake. Now I had small position which I squared off today morning itself. In fact, I had long positions in Nifty, and in fact even it gapped down, and first 15 minutes when it shooted up, I closed all the position and exited out. Then what happened, market started falling, and once the European market opened, we saw further fall of both Bank Nifty and Nifty, right? So let's see what the chart says. As you may know, this is the Nifty chart, right? And this is the 7th time. This was the 5th time. Around 6 times it has reached here, this zone, and we are just market or people are not able to take the market above 16,000 without FII support. How do you think we are going to go up? I don't think so, right? So let's see what happens tomorrow. I think market should be going down, right? And Nifty, you may know there are a huge number of call rating at 15,800 and all the way 15,800 calls, 15,900, 16,000. So people are writing 15,800 to 16,200 calls. So everybody is turned bearish now, right? And this is what I was talking about. 35,000 call is written, aggressively written. Market is at 35,200 and people are writing 35,000 call option, right? Yeah. So let's see how things span out on Tuesday. So I am really cautious. I am kind of like panicking. Market may slip down. We are not getting support from global cues, and OPEC has decided to increase the production. So there are many factors involved in this thing. We have to consider all the factors, and fear of inflation, taper tantrum. So all kinds of negativity are in the market now. So just be cautious. Try to be on the short side. Do a hedged position so that in case market falls down, you will be safe, or you can exit the trade with a minimal losses, right? So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.